This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create Brian's Mitsubishi Lancer in GTA 5. We'll cover selecting the right base vehicle, applying the correct body modifications, choosing the iconic paint and wheels, and finally, upgrading its performance to match the movie car. Get ready to transform your ride into a street racing legend, ready for any challenge on the streets of Los Santos. First, head to Southern San Andreas Super Autos and acquire the Karin Sultan RS. This vehicle is the perfect canvas for our project. Once you have it, drive to Los Santos Customs. For the body kit, select the street front bumper, street side skirts, and the street rear bumper. These choices are crucial for replicating the distinctive silhouette of Brian's Lancer. Now for the iconic aesthetics. For the primary color, choose a metallic lime green to capture that vibrant movie look. Set the secondary color to chrome for subtle accents. Next, navigate to the wheels section and select the Fujiwara rims, painting them silver. Finally, complete the rear profile by adding the GT wing spoiler, which is essential for the authentic Lancer appearance. To make your Lancer perform like a true street racer, upgrade the engine, transmission, and turbo tuning to their maximum levels. Enhance the braking and suspension for superior handling and control. For the final visual touches, apply light smoke window tints. Double-check all your modifications to ensure every detail perfectly matches Brian's iconic Mitsubishi Lancer from the film. Enjoy your new, fast, and furious ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.